Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, it's a super adorable fondant baby shoe. If you guys want to see how I made these, well, keep on watching. So first of all, the template comes from my Etsy shop. I will link everything down below. There's also other templates that you can go ahead and look at that. Once you purchase the template, it comes with the step-by-step instructions and also another PDF that is the actual template. So these adorable shoes can be either for a baby shower or even for a baptism or a christening of a little boy, because you can kind of tweak it and just by adding a little cross or not, and you don't have to do it white. You can do whatever color that you want also. So in my case, I just wanted to show you how to work with the template. So basically you're just going to cut your template once you print it out, because it's as soon as you buy the template, you can print it out, no problem. It's like an immediate. So Etsy will send you a message saying that it's ready to print, and then you'll have access to it immediately. So then you go ahead, cut all your pieces, and then once you have all your pieces, it's your template. You can go ahead and then prepare your fondant. I always add xylose to my fondant because that really helps my piece to dry up quicker, and it also makes it harder. So, and then I just roll out my fondant. You don't want it to be too thin or too thick, and you're going to cut all your pieces. And then for the sole, make sure that you do one foot and then you turn it around so that you get the other foot, because we obviously have a right and a left, and if you don't do that, then you'll be stuck with two rights or two lefts. So just turn it around and then you'll have two pieces. And then to have that beautiful shape, I always add a almost like an oval shape at the top of each sole, and I glue it with a little bit of water. Remember, water and fondant creates a glue, so I do that at the top, and then you can go ahead and then glue your other pieces using a little bit of water. Now at that point, you can either add just the laces in the front and leave it like that. You can also add a little bow and then leave it like that, or you can also add a little cross using edible pearls, but it's you don't have to do that. You can just leave them the way that they are. You can also spray paint them in gold using edible metallic paint, and it just gives it another style, or even silver, or even just do them blue. You can also do them two tones. So it's really up to you depending on your creativity. So I really hope you guys enjoyed. Sometimes we think like doing pieces like this is kind of hard, but actually it really isn't. The main thing is when you're cutting your pieces, let them dry a little bit on your counter for maybe like 5 to 10 minutes. You'll see your fondant will kind of like harden already, and then it's like easier to place them, and so like that it keeps its shape. And then you leave them on I always leave them on a piece of parchment paper, and for at least 24-48 hours, and then they're super cute. And that's it. So I really hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and click the notification bell button so you get notified of all the videos that I put up. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.